COVID cases surge in Colorado and all across the nation. U.S. health officials announced a major change to COVID-19 isolation requirements. The new rules state anyone who tests positive for COVID but does not show any symptoms only needs to quarantine for 5 days. That's instead of 10. They should continue to wear a mask around others for the next 5 days. Now, the rules also say that anyone who is exposed but boosted does not need to quarantine, while those who are exposed but unvaccinated should quarantine for 5 days. Now, these new rules come as Colorado is seeing high rates of COVID spread. Tonight, the state's 7-day positivity rate is more than 12.5%. When the pandemic first started, the goal was to keep transmission rates below 5%. Alan Janae covering these developments for us tonight. And Alan, the state health department, of course, following the CDC's guidelines tonight.
Well, they are, Karen. As the Omicron variant becomes the prevailing one here in Colorado, it's showing its characteristics more and more, like a propensity to spread sooner, and if it's less severe, to fade faster.
All day, lines for COVID tests were abysmally long as the Omicron variant runs wild. Levi Gillis, who thinks he may have been exposed to COVID, plans to stay away from people.
Well, I was going to see a bunch of friends that were coming back in town for college, but you know, I won't obviously now.
The CDC says there's growing evidence that those who test positive are most infectious in the 2 days before and 3 days after symptoms develop. Medical Center of Aurora infectious disease Dr. Sarah Gore is a little skeptical.
My sense is that these changes are based more off of the need to keep our society, our world functioning.
The more severe Delta variant still around. Testing does not give us firm numbers on which you get, notes National Jewish Health's Dr. Carrie Horn.
So one issue is that we don't test every sample for the variant that it is. It's a positive, it's a negative.
But Omicron may allow for it.
I mean, what we know right now is that Omicron may be less severe. And for that reason, potentially the isolation updates make sense.
With vaccination, even more so, she believes. And those who know they have it may not have to deal with COVID for as long.
I'm glad that I came and got tested today just because I want to know.
And that information can help you. Now, the state and the CDC both suggest getting a test on the 5th day after known exposure. The CDC, in effect, here was trying to get out ahead of some states that it felt might be doing its own reductions in quarantine and isolation times. All of this to try to make things even across the country. In Denver, I'm Alan Janae covering Colorado First.